Hello everyone, this is Pablo again, and today I'm going to show you how to make a new membership page. So this is the main interface. You come here to the left to my membership. Here you can see all the membership we have here. So I just create this one, Dog Lover. So I'm not gonna create a new one. I'm gonna edit this one, but it's gonna be almost the same for you guys. You are just gonna click this one and it's gonna be almost the same as clicking this one. So here you're gonna name your membership. In this case we got Dog Lover. We go to edit and for you will be create. Okay, so now we're on the main interface here and we're gonna fill up some basic information. We're gonna press here. We get the name of the membership, the description of the membership, and finally this one is the sales promotional page. So here you're gonna fill up with the URL where you're going to sell this membership. So basically it means you're gonna create another landing page and you're gonna take that information and you're gonna put it here. Once you're ready, you click on save and next. So now we're gonna go to the content itself. We're gonna open the builder. So here we are. Once again, the user interface. On the left, you can see all the options and all the modules or post contents we can put here on the page. We also got the navigation menu and the sidebar contents. So I'm gonna show you a little bit my design. So this is a picture of me, and this it's gonna be the host. Depending on your course, you can have different hosts, or maybe it's the same all the time, but you can change it. For example, you can come here, you can change the picture. I think I like this one. You can change the name, and you can even put some information about social media here, so people not only can see your content, but they also can go and they can do some research about you, or even like they can go to YouTube and they can see other content you create. We click on save. So here on this area, I'm gonna show you some of the modules I'm using. This one here is the headline. This one is the text. And finally here we got the video, which is this one. Here on the bottom, we got the checklist that I'm using for people to get some information before they start. So once you're ready with the home page, which is basically the welcome or the introduction page for the people that is coming to your course, you're gonna start adding all these categories. So here I got puppies, health, and walking with your dog. So all these ones you create it this way. You come here to the left and you select new category and you drag and drop to the main bar here. You can put the name. I'm gonna name these 2 dogs better than 1 because yeah, 2 dogs, of course, it's pretty nice. So here it's asking here to drag your post. So now we get this icon. This is the post icon. So we're gonna drag and drop it. We're gonna put this video icon because I'm gonna use a video. And again, 2 dogs better than 1. Some description. It's always good to have more tails. Change small problem here. Okay, we go to save. And now right here, it's gonna ask to put some content. So I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna put a video. And it's gonna ask one of the main platforms we can use. I'm gonna use YouTube, but you can either use Kartra Video, Vistia, or Vimeo. And we're going here, and we can put the URL of the video. We click on save. And this is the video I just copied. Some other things to mention here. Here you can put some description. for the post. I mean, you can go back if you want to change it again. And also really important, here on the top left, please don't forget to put your logo. It's really important. Okay, so I think I'm quite happy with my course. So we got puppies here, we got health, and we got walking with your dog. So once I think I'm ready with my design and my content inside of the course, we can go here to actions. Of course, we save the progress. And once you save the progress, you can come to preview. It's always good to check this out. Not only because we want to see the way it looks, also because this is the place we can change the way it looks. So as you can see here, we got some options. This will be something like a template. I think I like this one. And then I'm gonna use, let me check, maybe this one, it's too dark. I think I like this one. So we click save and exit, or we can preview. So let's take a look. So yeah, here we are. This is the way people is gonna see your course on their computers. So again, this is the home page. This is looking really good here. And that's my picture. This is really nice. We can play the video. We got some cute dogs here having some fun. And then here to the left, we got some navigation panels. So we got the puppies one, health, walking with your dog, and 2 dogs better than 1. Also, you can notice here we got the logo looking really good. And here on the right, people can search through all the content of your course. They can go to their profile. They can also see the sitemap. So when people want to have an idea of how much of the course they already made, support, and of course, logout. So if you think you're happy with the way it looks, the way it works and everything, we can just close this one and we can press save and exit. That's good. So now we finished the content here, so we can press save and next. Okay, so this is really fun, guys. So here we can either enable or disable the comments. So I'm gonna show you a little bit. I think on this case, I think I want to enable the comments so people can talk a little bit about the puppies. All good. Save. Comment moderation, and here you can see some configurations. Auto approve all comments, so it means anyone can comment anything, or they need some approval by the admins. On my case, I'm gonna use this option. I'm gonna click on save here, and save and next. Now we go to access levels. This is really important, guys, because check this out. So here we can see level 1 standard. So when people is gonna buy my course, they're gonna buy the standard package. And inside of the standard package, they can access to puppies, health, walking with your dog, and 2 dogs better than 1. But why not? Maybe you can have some other categories like standard, like premium or super premium. So here you can put some other extra stuff, or can be something like this. I'm gonna make an example for you. Maybe we can do something like this. Options are infinite. You can create any combination you want. So really think about this. So you can not only sell one product, you can have different packages. But right now I think I'm gonna make only one. So I'm gonna enable these guys here. And I'm going to save. And save and next. The next one, this is a classic one. You can have a progress bar. I'm not gonna use it, but you can change between not displaying with this style. Oh, here we got an example. Or we can do it with this one. On my example, I think I'm not gonna show the progress bar. Save. And then we go to save and next. Then the help desk, on my case, is enable, and you can either use no support, Kartra help desk, or you can use some external providers or platforms. I highly recommend using the Kartra help desk because we're using this platform, so it's a really good all-in-one solution. We're gonna save it, save it next. And this is really fun. This is when the people, when they pay for the course, they're going to get a welcome message. You can go here and you can do some configurations, and you can also design the welcome message so people's gonna get the login information. And here you can see this is the default one, but you can go crazy and you can customize everything here. So here we got the login page, the email, and the login password. So this is the information that people is gonna use to log into the course they just bought. We're gonna save it, and we go to save and next. So now we're here on automations, and this is super fun. So here you can create tags for the people. When people get the course, you can assign the task. So in the future, you can do some mailing to the people. You can subscribe the people to a list. You can put the people on a sequence, or you can even do some advanced automations. I recommend to take a look at this. With all these options, you can do some really interesting stuff, and you can keep the people like super aware of your content. Save and next. And congratulations, we are ready. So what's next? Link this membership portal to a product. Okay, so we're going to go to my products. So right now we just finished the membership, so now we need to do the other part. And here we got some stuff here, but if I come here, I got my dog lover. It's already here. I'm going to show you a little bit the way it looks. We're going to edit the product. It's called dog lover, of course. The product details, just like before, the name, the official name, which in this case is Become a True Dog Lover. A description, we get the picture, you can change it, and you can either have affiliate program or you can keep it private. That's up to you. I'm gonna save this one. And here we can have some payment processing. So you can either use PayPal or you can use credit card. I'm thinking I'm gonna use credit card this time. Save and next. This is the pricing tab. So in this case, here you got many options, but for my course, I'm gonna use a one-time payment, but you can also have these other options here. So it's a lifetime program, so the people they bought it once and they can access the content forever. Here we get the price, and you can also establish, for example, some initial payment, and you can also set a default price. Gonna save this one. On this case, we don't need any shipping. There is no tax here, and you can also change your refund policy. We're going to save it next. And this is the content. So the product page, so it's a Kartra page. I think I put it under test. And here, dog lover. We're going to save it. And here also, when people is buying your product, you can send them to your thank you page. I got a default one here, but you can have a custom one. You can make it over here on my pages. I'm gonna save it, and again, save and next. So this will be the checkout. So this is the way it's gonna look. Here we got some options: Kartra host checkout, overlay pop-up, and some other ones. You can change the template if you want. I think I really like this one. You can also press here, and you can have a bigger version. We're going to save this. You can put your logo here. Don't forget to have a beautiful logo. And you can also either enable or disable the help desk. And here on the checkout page fields, we already got first name, last name, email, country and state, and I also add some address, postal code, phone, and I don't need the company this time. We're going to save it. This is also really interesting. You can have some tagging for the people that is abandoning the cart. So you can do some other automations out of this. The language, some agreements, and also this one, the bump offer. So basically when they're buying and they're already in the process, you can offer some extra products, or maybe because you buy this one you get a discount on the other one. Again, endless possibilities, guys, so feel free to create and really go deep into this. There are so many options and this is super fun. We go to save and next. This is the post sale tab. So we got here your customer list, so we can have a list exclusively for this. You can create a new one, and again you can tag your customers, and here's the people that actually bought the product. Here we can select one of the most important things of this whole process. So basically this is the moment we are setting up the way people is getting access to the content. And because we already made a membership, we can go here and we can select Kartra membership. And here you can see we got Dog Lover, and as we said before, we got only one version or one level or one package, which is the standard. We press here and we save it. And once again, we can go even deeper with some advanced automations here. Save and next. This is the affiliate tab. You can select if you want it or if you don't want it. On this case, I'm not going to use it. Save and next. And here we are. So we are ready. Okay, so once you made your membership and you also got your product, there's only one thing you need to do left, and is you're going to go to your pages and you need to create a new page to sell the product. So here I got the Dog Lover, so we're gonna open it. For you, you're gonna go here to create, but again, for me, it's gonna be here, edit. Here you can change the name and the category, and we go to edit. Okay, so this is something you should be quite familiar. So this is the builder. This is something I made in a few minutes. You get a top menu navigation bar with the logo and some really simple information. Once again, here you can go crazy and you can create, because this is the way you're selling. So you can do it the way you want. It can look the way you want. So here we got some basic information, and this is the place where the people is gonna see everything. We got a beautiful puppy here on the left, and here we got become the best dough. Oh, look, we got some mistakes here. We're gonna fix it now. Gonna go here. It's a dog owner. That's better. Become the best dog owner without getting a new dog. Some information, the price, and here you got the buying button. So make sure you go here to edit, and you press on link, and you actually put the URL for your product. On my case, I use a custom URL, but if you give me a second, we can take a look. We can pop up Kartra section, video. We can go to product checkout. We can come here and we can select the Dog Lover one. Perfect. And Dog Lover. And price point number 1. and we're gonna use the default Kartra checkout page. We can preview as well, and as you can see here, this is the checkout page for the course we just created. Close this one. We're gonna click this one and we apply. All good, guys. So remember, once you're ready with this, you save your progress, and of course you want to publish. And here you can get your link and you can copy, and we can take a look if everything is working really good. So we get the dog lover course looking beautiful. We got the puppy. We can buy now, and in theory we should have the checkout page here. And yes, again, it's working perfectly. Now we can close this one. Once you're ready with everything, you can come again to Dog Lover, so you can actually do something really interesting. You can press login link and you can do admin login. So this is gonna be really nice if you want to recheck if everything's working, and as we can see here, it is working quite good. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you got any other information, please send us a message. Until next time, this is Pablo. Goodbye.